everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's me, Bros11 here. Today I'm going to be picking this lock right here. I recently got a lock picking set and I currently use this rake. I don't know what kind of rake that is. So you can focus. That rake. I use this pick. Right here, let's see if we'll focus. Yeah, use that. And then I use this tensioning tool. I added a little bit of masking tape on here so that it doesn't hurt my fingers when I push on it, because the thin metal kind of hurts a little bit, not gonna lie. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into this. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me trying to pick this, and let's bake it.
Let's see.
And opened. There you go, I just opened a lock with the lock picks. It took me about a minute and a half. I'll put the time in a corner. I don't know which corner, but I'll put it somewhere. So yeah, I will update you guys if I get any faster. But yeah, that's me picking some locks. So yeah, peace out. See you guys next video.